Hello everyone. So you already know that Nano Banana Pro was a success from Google and Nano Banana 2 has been released. But Nano Banana Pro can be used in many websites for free, but Nano Banana 2 has limited access. So in this video, I'm going to show you some websites where you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free. And in the last, I'll show you a website which is actually from Google, and you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. So let's not just waste your time and straight to the video. So the first website is Lovart AI. So you just need to come over this Lovart AI, create an account with your Google account, and you will get 30 daily credits to use this Lovart AI. And if I go to a new project here and go to the image generator section, you can choose Nano Banana 2. And the best part is here you can create 4K images for free. So if I choose the 4K image resolution, and also you can get to use tons of aspect ratio from here. So I'll just choose the 16:9, and I'm just going to paste a prompt here for my thumbnail, and he's going to use 12 credits for every images using Nano Banana 2 with the 4K resolution. If I choose the 2K resolution, it's going to use 8 credits. So I'm going to create the 4K resolution image for this and just click submit, and it will start to create the image for me. So let's zoom out. After a couple of seconds, as you can see, our image has been ready, which is now generated with 4K resolution. As you can see, here's the resolution, and I can now simply download this from here. Now you get 30 credits daily every day. So now you can use Nano Banana 2 for free. As you can see, this is the image. So if I just open the image, as you can see, the resolution is really using the 4K version using the Nano Banana 2, which is pretty cool here. So you can use Nano Banana 2 for free and create 4K images with Lovart AI. So the second website is going to talk about is the Flow, which is from Google itself. Now you just need to come to the website, which is flow.google Flow, and you'll have to log in with your account. And as you can see, I've been using this today, which is March 15, with a new account here. And this is the project that I was using. And if I click on this project, you can see here's the option of choose to Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2. Now, if I click on this Nano Banana 2, it's going to use 0 credits here. So if I go to my account, and you can see I have 150 credits. So if I just put the prompt here and click submit using the Nano Banana, also you can use the landscape mode or the portrait mode. I can choose the output for 3, 4, or 1. So I'm just going to use the 2 output and click submit. So as you can see, these are all the images that I created with Nano Banana 2 today. And I don't know if this unlimited or has a limitation, but I'm using currently right now for free, and all the images that you see are made by Nano Banana 2. So as you can see, our image has been ready. This is the number 1 image, and this is the second output, which is pretty good. Now, if you want to download this, you cannot download the 4K resolution from here. You can only download the 2K resolution. So if I just click on this 2K, it will download it on my PC. So these are the two websites where you can use Nano Banana 2 for free. So it's better to use this Flow version because it's from Google. And as you can see, maybe you can create hundreds of images here for free using the Nano Banana 2. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.